Yeah, if you don't have one of the C-clamps, for this small of a movement, I recommend using a zip tie. And what you would do is put a screwdriver or something, put the next gear in, put a screwdriver in, wind the clock up, and then put the zip tie around. I normally use wires, but with this small of a movement and this small of a spring, the wire keeps moving, so a zip tie works really well in this case. And then once you got it wind up, you remove the screwdriver or nail or tweezers, and then the gear will loosen up into the zip tie. So now I can take the plate back off and put the rest of the parts in.